Shepherd at model. Model.
Fish on, fish on.
Grappler westbound auto from Shepherd.
In half a mile, keep left to continue on I-20 West. Follow signs for Vicksburg.
Whoa!
In a quarter mile, keep left to continue on I-20 West. Follow signs for...
This guy from getting burned too much. Busted that window out so he can climb out. Huh? Yeah. Well, it's not cold, but it's water.
The speed limit's 35! Shut the f up! Yeah? Fuck problem.
What did you just say, man?
I said the speed limit's 35. What the fuck is your problem?
Say something, mother. Do something.
Back the fuck up, bro.
Do it,
Back the fuck up, bro.
Do it.
Back the fuck up.
Or what?
Back the
fuck up. What you got?
Back the fuck up, bro. You just assaulted me for no reason. It's all on camera. It's all on camera. It's all on camera. Get the fuck in your truck. Your license plate and everything, bro.
Man.
Yeah? Alright, we'll see.
You faggot.
You're How old are you, bro? I'm 19 and you're pissed off.
Get out of the fucking illegally, fuck. You have that? I'll show you something I really have. Get the fuck.
I don't give a f you got a gun or not. You're not gonna do shit with it. You're not gonna shoot me.
What am I gonna do? I didn't say I was gonna do anything.
You literally came over and said you'll shoot me. I got you assaulting me. I got you assaulting me. Have fun when TBD sees it. Face.
You shut your faggot mouth, you stupid bitch. Wait for a cop to come in. We'll talk about it.
Okay, I'll call the cops right now.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Drive away. It's not worth it. You know it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Just call him.
Okay.
I'll wait, pal.
Okay.
See how fucking stupid you are. He's half the reason the problem with all these stupid riding.
I was going 35 miles an hour, which is the fucking speed limit. You have no reason to be riding my ass like that.
You don't have turn signals. You don't have a light.
I do have a light. You want to see a light?
That's not legal.
That's yeah, it's a light.
Okay, blatantly run that.
Oh my god. That was
I can't feel the thing. Don't know
What are you doing?
it's to be my joy.
Oh my gosh. ya te pegó. Ya te pegó este güey. Bájate, Chris.
I apologize. I'm sorry. I have a big unit in my truck. I couldn't see. You guys doing okay?
Yes, we're good, sir.
Get back in your car. I've got a camera on my head. I followed you, man. Get back in your car. You piece of shit. You have no idea what I got in the back of my truck. I can smash your car in a second because you have no idea. You have no idea how much weight I had back there. Shit. Burn.